Don.
Ndio hapa.
Let me educate you on something.
Yes.
You see all this range of washing machines that we've seen? Man, LG's got you sorted.
Mimi nakwambia.
Now I want to tell you something about this one. Starting from Intelligent Wash.
Intelligent wash.
Yes. Another thing is that it has inverted direct motor. That tells you it washes very, very fast. And then, if you back then, there was these washing machines that you, ukiweka, everybody in the neighborhood knows you're doing cleaning.
Inaguruma.
Now for this one
Yes.
right here,
Yes.
you'll be able to tell. And then lastly,
Yes.
man, hygienic wash. And the fact that it's got a steam. You can see it doesn't bring out your clothes so hard, so wrinkled,
Yes.
that you really have to struggle while ironing. Can you see this place right here? If you can see it clearly.
10-year warranty
10 years.
on the motor.
My friend, 10 years.
This is the thing. This is the thing. And remember, it's coming at a price that you cannot get to miss. Mimi nakwambia, we are plugging you with the best. And that is pale tumekwambia wanakupatia offer ya 35%. Unanipata? 35%. So mimi kama ni wewe ningekuwa kwa any LG Opalnet outlet pale nje. And that's why with LG, life is good.